Hi, we are the students from SMK RG Convent, Johor Bahru. We decided to make a brush since it is difficult and inconvenient for our school cleaners to clean the corners. This is our brush. The holder is 10 cm, brush is 3 cm and the soap is 2.5 cm.
It can help to clean the corners, as for a lot of different brushes in the toilets, they actually have a B shape and the brushes down there and they're actually going downwards. But then for this brush it is upwards, and then you need the brush than the plastic more. And besides that, this rubber here, it allows you to bend in slightly when you clean the corners, and this squeaky here can actually help the cleaners to save their time when cleaning, because you can have the same thing in the same tool. And besides, this is the holder for the cleaner or the student to use, and for the soap water to get out is in here to make it a little bit more convenient, so that we don't need to actually take the product out and then pour it out and then take the tool out and brush it again. Now let's dive into the small thing here, the box that we mentioned just now. This is the hole that is actually made in the plastic, and then this is the cape that allows open and close to put in the soap, the small soap inside the space that allows it to be stored. Now let's talk about the materials. So firstly, this is made out of plastics and it is cut into small slices, very small slices like brushes in a toilet, you can see. And this is the rubber, and this is also made out of rubber, and this is made out of plastic, just like what I mentioned just now. And this is made out of plastic, and inside, to make the holder a little bit more stronger, we put the paper inside it. This is the paper, such as the newspaper and the paper that students throw in school. For the brush, it can help.
The materials are plastic bottle, hot glue, double tape, rubber, scissor, pepper, pen knife and brush. There are 3 things that we purchased from Mr. DIY. The total of it is RM13 ringgit 70 cent. The benefit of using this brush is it is eco-friendly product and it can save the time.